UK Direct sells good beer to good people.
We started as a one-man band. That was my father 40 years ago. Every year Cave Direct has grown. It's driven by passion, a belief in what we do, what we know about beer.
Sage wasn't cloud-based, it didn't synchronise with any online platforms, and the system kept crashing. It was just unbelievably bad, really.
It was a clunky system, and we're such a fast-paced company where it was just a nightmare trying to keep on top of it from a sales perspective, because you never know what's coming in. Being able to integrate everything into different systems and having the livestock system with the website has gone fivefold effectively.
The sync that goes across to the actual e-commerce platform that we've got on is just, second to none.
So when the lockdown happened, we had 4 warehouses full of beer. We focused on our main warehouse in Kent. Through Acumatica, we were able to redirect all those customers to the south branch.
It was all seamless, really. We were able to sell beer to the home consumer and to pubs who were still able to offer a takeout. It was 1,500% increase a month.
The integration for online ordering helped us push forward. It takes away the burden of paperwork. Everything that feeds in through Acumatica is in their hand. Going into a meeting, that information is key.
The way the API goes across to Magento, within 15 minutes we can have beers in the country, in the warehouse, and then onto the site for people to buy.
In the UK, we pay different amounts of excise duty on the strength of a beer. These are very complicated because we have to clear those goods out of the EU. So that gives 2 or 3 hours to create the paperwork which allows you to bring them into the UK.
The system actually calculates the excise for us, and that has given us such an edge, being able to feed information into their system.
If we look at what they're doing now to what they did 5 years ago, the business has changed dramatically and grown dramatically. But every step of the way, we've been able to scale the product to actually give them the function they need. We believe at Arcus it's important that we create a relationship with our customers that goes on for many, many years.
Acumatica's always had a solution to everything we've needed to do. It's just so flexible, ever-changing.
Acumatica has transformed our business and given us the confidence that we can just keep on growing.